Hi friends, Namaskaram. This is Seshadri from OnCall HR. This is October month. All HR will remember October is for renewal of factory license. Today we will see in this video how to do online factory license renewal. Online factory license renewal. This process is like that. It is start, then we are submitting online renewal form, uploading the required documents, then paying the required fees. After this, when we submit online, it goes to DISH, that is Factory Inspectorate. There they will verify our documents, everything. Then they will approve for renewal. Immediately you will get SMS as well as mail for renewal. Then we can download from our login itself. The renewal of license under Tamil Nadu Factories Rules, Section 7 defines the application form 2 should be submitted in triplicate. That also 2 months before the expiry of the license. That means in October. All license or anything if you take under Factories Act, it is calendar year. That means January to December. So our license also will expire in December. That's why we need to submit before 2 months, means October 31st. What will happen if we are not submitting on time? If we are forgetting or something issues, October you are not submitting, November only you are applying for renewal, 10% fees you have to pay extra. If you are submitting in December for renewal, 20% fees you have to pay extra. After expiry, if you are submitting the renewal application, 30% fees you need to pay extra. Factory license can be renewed more than 1 year also, up to 5 years we can renew. Online, we have to apply in www.dish, that is dish.tn.gov.in. Documents, anything change is there, then only we need to upload. Otherwise, these documents not required to be uploaded. Form 2, anyway, we have to fill and upload. And proof of occupier identify, proof of occupier address, manager identity, manager address, memorandum of articles of association or any partnership. These are all any changes is there, then we require these documents. Otherwise, not required. Keep it whatever in the form itself. Before starting, you should keep the following details ready. Pressure vessel testing fees, whatever you paid during this year. Medical examination fee paid during this year. Tamil Nadu Labor Welfare Board fund paid during this January. And you calculate renewal fees amount. When you go website, it looks like this. That is a home page. And you need to click industry login. This is a bottom right side. You have to click this industry login. When you are clicking like that, it will come. You go click for factory login, and then this window will come. There you have to give your username, that is your mail ID will be there. Use whatever given in the registration, as well as password, then captcha, login. Then it will go to the main menu. Here, that services offered by DISH, services offered under Factories Act. You click this one because the license we are going to apply under Factories Act. So renewal of factory license, click it. Then it will, this window will come. Here also you click this renewal of factory license. Then it goes to this window. This is the window where we are going to apply all the details as well as apply for renewal. Here, first general particulars about factory. You have to just verify all the things will be displayed because earlier it already entered in that. That is PAN, PF number, ESI number, what is our company name, everything, all the details will be there. Factory address as well as communication address. Then it comes to occupier. Next, when you are clicking, it will go for occupier detail, occupier name, date of birth, and gender, whether it is a Indian or others, is DIN number, Aadhar number, those things, all the particulars. Is permanent address as well as present address. Then identity proof. Identity you can take either it is a voter photo ID or driving license, passport, ration card, PAN card, Aadhar card. This any one you can take for as a proof of address as well as identity proof. Identity proof you can add some more thing also. Any government identity card is that also eligible as per this site. And one photo also you upload in this. After uploading, you can go for manager particular. Manager also same, factory manager will be there under a Factories Act. So same, anything change is there, you have to amend all things. Otherwise, this all the details will be displayed already. Whatever already entered, it will. In some factories, the occupier will be the manager also. Then you can click this checkbox. You need not to enter anything here. The same thing will be copied. After entering occupier detail and manager detail, it goes to the particular of the about the factory. Here it will land. Then manufacturing process, whatever we do, those things will be displayed. I hope everything will be there. You need not to touch anything, just to verify it. Then you go down there where you can see the what are all the products you manufactured last year. Then value of the product you have to enter. And in this page, you can enter how many pressure vessels you are having. Then what is the fees you have paid, those details. Then medical examination, any dangerous process is there for that medical examination fees you have paid, for those details you have to enter. Then you have to enter the canteen staff, any medical examination you have done. For that, whatever the fees paid, those things you can enter in this. What is the sanction strength? What is the daily average ordinarily employed people? Whatever the strength you can mention, it should not be more than whatever the sanction given to you. And you can mention here how many years you want to renew this license. Either it is 1 year, 2 year, up to 5 year, you can mention here. After that, you can see the license fee amount. There you enter the amount, process for payment. You can see in the end of this session, one video is there. In that video, you can see how online payment also is being processed. When you click, it take you to the bank site. There you can pay the amount, then it will come back. So when it is coming back after payment, this window will come. Then you click the update factory registration and renewal details. Then all the details, whatever you have entered, it will be saved. So before Tamil Nadu Labor Welfare Board fund is mentioned, that is whatever you have paid, that amount and the date, everything mentioned here. So when you submit this, all the details, it is saved. Then it land to submit license renewal. There you select the directorate where you are submitting. That's all. It ends total thing, and you can download the preview form, whatever the details entered. You can see in this video, so in detail. You are logging in. After logging in, it will take this page. There you have to select Factories Act and then factory license renewal. You are entering all the factory particulars. What is the manufacturing process? Where is located? Where is the communication address? Those things. After that, you are particularly checking the occupier details or address, ID proof, everything. Then you are going back to manager's detail, their manager address and everything you are checking. Whether it is correct or not correct, you change it. Then you are going for factory details. Medical examination fees, those things also you enter. After all the particulars are saved or entered, what is the renewal amount, then payment mode. When you are online paying, clicking that button, it takes you to the bank site. In bank, you are logging in. After successful payment completion, it will get back to the dish site. So now you can save whatever the data you have entered. It will save like this. After saving, you click for the submission. Click here. Select the joint director, then submit. That's all. Our renewal application has been submitted. You can see the preview here. So this is the method what we apply for online factory license renewal. Any doubts are there, please contact us. We will try to help you. We do all HR services like legal compliance, statutory compliance, as well as recruitment, manpower, training. Thanks for watching. We'll get back with another subject. Thank you.